Hello everyone, I am Mr.Peck. This is my friend. Her name is Lily. Hi Lily.
Hello, Mr. Peck.
Lily, look at this picture. What can you see here?
I can see some numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Every number has a corresponding number of items. For example, 6 has 6 leaves. I can count from 1 to 10. Ask me, Mr. Peck.
How many flowers are shown?
3 flowers are shown.
Are there more leaves or buttons?
There are more leaves than buttons.
Are all of the buttons red?
No, they aren't.
Are all of the buttons the same shape?
No, they aren't.
How many baseball caps are there?
There is only one baseball cap.
Are there more buttons or pencils?
There are more buttons than pencils.
How many pencils are shown?
4 pencils are shown.
What color pencils can you see?
I can see green, red, blue, and brown pencils.
Are 5 sheep shown?
No, only 2.
What is the highest number shown?
6 is the highest number shown.
Good job, Lily. See you later.